Okay, guys, we are going to make cube steak that we've cut into small kind of pieces, whatever. We're going to start by putting cream of mushroom soup in our bowl. It's wiggly. Okay, there's cream of mushroom soup.
And then make it up.
Well, we gotta put some. We're gonna put beef stock in there with it. Using beef stock. Okay, y'all gotta stir it up. Please don't get it all over you. Okay. I don't think we'll need, but about. We'll go with half right now. Y'all stir it up, real easy. Get it good and stirred. Gotta get all them lumps out. Let me show you. If you'll do like this, then it's stirring up those lumps. Okay? You stay on your side. You can do it. Just stay over there on your side. You want me to come help you? Yes, you can. Hold on to it. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's put them up. We're through with them. We're through with them. Yeah, we're fixing to do them tags. Let me move this out of the way.
Wow.
Okay, now.
We're going to do this?
Yeah, hang on just a minute. Let me get you something bigger. Here, Mama, you can have yours.
Well, where's mine?
We're just going to spread them out. Look.
I can touch them.
Well, yeah, your hands are washed. You can touch them. I'm going to spread them out in one layer. Get yours spread out. See? Look, get yours spread out.
I need this.
Yeah, it's good. You don't like to touch things, do you? Mm-mm. You don't like to touch things, guys. Okay, no, leave it right there. Okay. Now we're going to start with garlic powder. Make sure that you hold it up high and do it lightly. Yep, lightly.
Enough.
No, you didn't get them. And you didn't get that one. Up there. Way up there. Okay. Whew. It's okay. Then we're going to put on a little bit of Slap Your Mama. Get it all over it. Whoa, Wawa.
Oh! I made a mess.
No, you didn't. It's all right, sugar baby. Look, we'll just do this, okay? Mammy wasn't paying attention. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
That's all fine. We're just gonna dump a little bit of his off. It's okay. We just won't do the back side because they'll have plenty on the front. It's all right, ain't it, bud?
You don't eat Wawas, not Mom. You don't eat Wawas.
I'm gonna eat Wawas?
Yeah.
Okay. It's all right, guys. It's all right.
Now, can I do that one
when Wawa gets through? I mean, when Momo gets through. I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I didn't know you was gonna get started. Let me see. Water, I didn't know you was gonna get started so quick. Here. Look, watch Mammy. See how I'm holding it? Look how Mammy's holding it. See, I'm telling this. I'm holding it like this. See, you see it coming out?
Yeah.
That's how you have to do. There you go. Up high. There you go. Over there. Give Wawa. No, let Wawa do his own. You done good. You done good. Okay, now we're gonna put. No, Wawa. Up high. It's okay. There we go. Good job.
Milk.
I don't think we need any milk.
All right.
Here. We're going to put one Worcestershire, but look what we're going to do. We're going to just pour it lightly on each one. These are probably going to be real good seasoned, guys. Real good seasoned. That's okay. We're going to clean all that up. Okay. Do it. There you go. Do each one.
Mama,
Very good.
People.
Okay. Now we gotta have a little bit of salt. Let me see if I got a little salt that y'all can do at home. Okay. Now this is gonna come out a lot, so we're gonna have to. Mammy's gonna have to help you. Okay.
Tap, 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 tap. Oh, wow, I do that.
Okay.
Now it's my turn.
You done yours. Oh. You gonna help? It's okay, Bug. It's okay. It all wipes off. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, we're gonna turn Moe's over. Oh, y'all ain't even seeing their stuff. Goodness gracious, it got moved. I'm so sorry. Oh boy, we're getting it done, guys. We're getting it done. Yeah, but we're not going to put anything on the back side of yours. Maybe just a tinky bit of salt, because yours is going to taste some garlic. Yeah, okay.
Look, there's some little bit.
That's all right. That's all right. Here. Let me help you.
That's salt.
Yeah, that's salt. Okay. Now, you going to put your salt on first?
No, me going to put that on first.
Okay. Hold it up high. Okay, well, please do very little this time, okay? Very little. Hold it up high and very little.
Can I get one too?
There you go. There you go. That's good. Now up there. Okay, that's good.
No, what about me?
Here, you can do that to the back of yours. Hold it up high. We're done. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
See, I popped it.
It's okay. It's okay. There's gonna be some. Oh yeah, you gotta do yours. There's gonna be some good taste. Let him do his own. Let him do his. Each one, just a little bit on each one. There you go, a little bit. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. Okay, now let Mo put a little bit on hers.
Whoa, I like it.
You done good.
And mine's gonna be like banana.
Yeah. Okay. If we had an onion, guys, we'd put onion. We don't have an onion. You didn't put this on yours?
Me already did.
On the back side you did it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's don't put any more. It'll be too hot.
So you have it on
All right, it's going to be hot. Okay, there you go. Now, okay, guys, just let me move these out of the way. I'll be right back. Whew. Okay. Now, here, Wilder, you put yours in.
All right. No, you do it.
You want to put his in?
Yeah.
Well, quit touching on your arm when you're going to be cooking, girl.
Fine.
Put them in there. Lay them in there flat now. Don't put them on top of each other.
Can I do it?
Yep. There you go, Wilder. That's a good place. One more. Here, do one more.
And say you want me off.
Yeah, I can wipe your hands off.
Do you want me off too?
I can, but you ain't put yours in, Mo.
No. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, darling. Okay, now Mo's got to put hers in. Let's get these put in there real tight. We're going to put them on the whole bottom.
But there's no room.
There will be. We're going to smush it in there.
I might have kept this. Will it be too short?
Looks like it. But with leggings, I mean, maybe not with a pair of leggings on it.
We can just lay down.
Squish them in there real tight.
No. One.
There we go. All right, guys.
Then you want me? No, come to another one.
No. Okay. Look, guys. They got it all over the whole bottom, so it's all covered.
No, come to another one.
No, now y'all gonna take your stuff, pour it in. Okay, let me get you a scraper, Wilder. You can scrape it out.
Where's the
Oh,
clover?
here it is.
Hi.
Okay. Scrape it out. Out here. Look. Good boy. There you go. Okay, and we're gonna put these on, guys, on high for 3 hours, but we will check them. Okay, you got it all? Okay, good deal. We're gonna check them.
Let's taste it a prune.
You don't taste it yet.
Yeah, let's
Okay,
taste it a
okay.
prune.
All right.
And let me rub it wrong. Well, I didn't get that time.
Just a little bit. Taste it.
I want to taste it with a finger.
Good or bad?
Good.
Awesome. Okay. Tell them it's thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Okay, Wawa, here, you can let Wawa pour this. You poured the soup. Pour just a little bit in there. We're just going to put a little bit of, there we go, beef broth on top of all that. Now, guys, we're going to put it in the slow cooker on high for 3 hours, but we're going to check it at 2. So our if our cube steak's done, then we'll just put it on 1. Okay? You can tell them bye.
Bye.
We done it all. No, we done it all. Tell them we'll be back.
Bye. Bye.
We did the soup. You poured it on there. We'll do something else, but tell them bye. So we'll be back when it's done. You got to tell them.
We'll be back when it's done on the pussy.
Okay. Okay, now tell them. Tell them.
If I take a little baby.
Brown gravy.
Come crazy.
Brown gravy.
That's so nice.
We forgot the brown gravy, guys.
That's so nice.
You can put some of it in there. Wait a minute, let me turn it so they can see you.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can put some too. Are you getting any in there? You ain't got much.
Benny.
Look, when you do like this. See, Mammy showed you.
Okay.
There you go. Now,
My turn. I'm going to kill you.
you'll get it right there too. Some right up there.
On my side.
Okay. All right, I think that's enough. You want to put just a little bit more?
Yeah.
Some of these right over there.
Okay.
I think that's good. That's all we got anyway. It's gone.
And not done.
Oh, it's not quite gone. Good. Okay. Let me get you a mixer.
Mommy!
Just a minute.
I don't want you to stand if you are It's pretty.
So keep it down in there. Look, we're just going to do like this, right on the top. Just kind of get that gravy mix stirred into all that goodness. There you go. Good going. Okay. Tell them now we'll be back when it's done.
Now we back when it's done.
You want to tell them we'll be back when it's done? Tell them. Look. It'll wipe off. Look. Tell them, Mama. Wait a minute. Let me turn it to you.
That back when we done.
Go on. Let them see you.
Me be back when we done.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna. It ain't been quite 2 hours, but you know it was little pieces, so we're just gonna test. Not quite there, almost though. Oh yeah, it's pretty tender. We're gonna leave it for another little while though. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna see. Let's see if it's ready.
Oh, it really. I went down.
Oh yeah, it's ready. See, it just broke in two, so it's ready. Okay. So we'll turn that off. We cooked that for 2.5 hours. Now we've got it on our just keep warm until we get the rest of the supper done. Okay, 2.5 hours.